All right, welcome back everyone. Hey, hope you all have an amazing day. Hopefully you all enjoyed this video. Thank you all so much for tuning back in. Today we are here with the rear body panel, the rear fender panel of the YTM200. Still just sitting there under the tarp waiting for the solenoid to come in. The dealership's taking its time getting this new parts, but I figured we'd just make some progress here. We're going to be doing some wet sanding of this panel, so figured we'll see how this goes here. We got some 180 grit here, and we'll give this a shot, get this started. Now, this past week we got a video, I made a video, we wet sanded the front, the gas tank cover, and it went very well. So I'm looking forward to seeing how this turns out here. Thank you all so much for the support you've been showing on the videos. It seems like everyone's been enjoying it. We've got, oh Lord, this last one of the last videos is over 200 views now. One of the first ones is over 150. I can't thank you all enough for that. Not only have we gained hundreds of views through these videos, hundreds of views through these videos already, but we've also been gaining subscribers on each video. So welcome to the channel, welcome to the journey. On our way to 1,000 subscribers. I was hoping to hit 1,000 subscribers by New Year's, but at this point, with this last month of not uploading every single day, I understand why we're no longer hitting that at this point. But I'd like to get back into making the simulator videos, hopefully soon, but it's just, over this last month, it's been very hard losing my apartment and moving back in with my parents, and it's hard. My stepdad's mother, my grandmother in a sense, since my little brother was born, she started being very verbally abusive and treating me very poorly, and she's here basically 5 days a week, and so it makes it very hard to be here, but don't really have much of a choice, nowhere else to go right now. Hopefully we can get this YouTube making some money and get a piece of land where we can start making more. I'd love to make like I'd love to build a cabin, and 3-wheelers, 4-wheelers can be used for all the work on the property, and like we could work on them and do some truck work, and oh man. And then the thing is, I'd like to still do simulator videos. I really want to get back on the simulator. I'm thinking this upcoming week, maybe this week that this video comes out, I'll have another simulator video out maybe, depending on how I feel, of course, right? But like I'm missing the simulator. I really want to get on. Really want to do some drifting for y'all. Really want to share a bit of what's been going on more in depth. Just last night, I didn't sleep, right? Like, I literally did not sleep last night. It was just, oh my, it was hard. But hey, we're making progress here, and that's all that matters, right? We got to keep pushing, and soon enough, everything will change, and we'll be able to make some drifting content, and we'll be able to make some gaming content, and farming content, and logging, and 3-wheelers, and tractors, and sawmills. I think it'd be cool to build a water wheel and a sawmill that's attached to the water wheel and like runs from the like the water wheel powers the sawmill. It's something we used to do, and it's something that I saw as a kid up at Upper Canada Village, visiting with school and with family just on our own time. And it's something that I always thought was very impressive. And I've seen someone do it on YouTube before. And I was like, damn, I didn't really think I never saw it as being possible until I saw some random little guy doing it on YouTube. And so hopefully one day we get to that point. That would be pretty cool. But hey, look at this. We're making some awesome progress here. Just this one side is already coming along very nicely. Holy. Wow. And the sun is helping do this justice in every way right now. That's awesome. Beautiful. Compared to that, wow. My lord. So I'm gonna put you all up for a time lapse, and we'll record the rest of that. We'll record the rest of this through a time lapse. Hopefully you all enjoy. See you after that. Well, everyone, welcome back. So as you will have just seen in the last couple time lapses, we were able to make progress on the back panel. We did the first wet sanding time lapse and then a secondary one, but it did get short, unfortunately. I'm very sorry about that. Basically, my parents ended up calling me mid time lapse, and the second hour and a half of time lapse all got lost. So kind of unfortunate, but that's all right, because I've got this here for us. We got the front fender. We got to make some progress here. This thing is definitely the worst of the worst that we have to deal with. Oh my lord. So be sure to stay tuned. Hopefully you're all enjoying so far, and we'll jump right into a time lapse of getting this cleaned up. See you in a bit. All right, here we are, everyone. This is going to be the end of this video. I hope you all enjoyed the progress. Thank you all so much for tuning in. We got the front fender all done here, all nice and wet sanded down. We got the tank cover done, and we also got the rear panel done. Now, obviously, there's still a few little defects here, but it's as far as I'm willing to go. It's, for now at least, it seems to be not making much of a difference as I go any further. I'm not really sure what to do. It's like, no matter how far I go, these two yellows are not gonna be the same, it seems like. I'm not 100% sure why. This seems to be thinner plastic here. This seems to be thicker plastic. From what I can tell, going like, if you look at the edge here, there's a bit of extra plastic, right? So, but hey, it's not too bad. I got to go around all the screws just a little bit, right? But I can't even get them all out, so I did the best I could. These ones on the back of the front fender, it was a bit easier to get to these without the contour, but there was only 2 of them, right? The 2 edges are missing right now. I got to replace them, but pretty cheap. I'm very happy with the outcome. Went from white to yellow. Now, yes, there's a bit of whiteness to it, but we got the Armor All plastic protection stuff. So in the next episode, in a future episode, we'll be taking the spray and we'll be coating everything and just trying my best to bring this back. We also got the rear rack completely painted and we got the front rack completely painted. We got the carburetor done. All we're waiting for at this point is the solenoid. It should be coming in this week. It said it was going to be here in 3 days and it's been 2 weeks now, so hopefully it's here this week. Thank you all so much for tuning in. I hope you all have an amazing day, and we'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.